Hi, my name is Steve Baker, Technical Marketing Engineer for the Aruba switching team. In this video, I wanted to talk about a new 10.10 update, which included support for 100 megabit support on the 6300 and 8360. So jumping into the agenda, we can see the agenda for this session. Starting off with the overview, so HP Smart Rate, this is a new gigabit twisted pair network interface that's interoperable with the base T ecosystem of 2.5 or 5 gigabits products, as well as with the existing industry standard 1 gig or 10 gig devices. It really allows the majority of the existing cabling installations found in many campus LAN environments to provide that higher bandwidth connectivity, as well as help distribute PoE to the connected devices and help secure the wired link for next generation AC applications. The new update with 10.10 for Smart Rate has actually included support for 100 meg force mode. So 100 meg force mode is supported on the Aruba 6300M, the 24 SR5 and the 48 port SR5 switch, as well as the 8360 V2 48 port base T model with 400 gig uplinks, both the front to back and the back to front option. And in addition to that, it also is supported on the AOS-CX 6400 48 port SR5 line card. Now, when we're talking about use cases, Smart Rate technology is really here to help solve traffic bottlenecks without actually having to rip and replace this existing twisted pair cabling system. And this new enhancement, of course, provides more flexibility for our customers with regards to being able to support 100 meg force mode as well as auto negotiation. Typically, auto negotiation is going to be used in most cases. However, there are going to be a few cases where customers are going to need to force this port to that needed speed. Sometimes the link can fail to establish with that high of speed based on the equipment from different vendors. So they may actually have to force the link to get this link up. And of course, if there's errors on the link, the speed will be dropped as well as the duplex settings. So you may end up with a 100 meg half duplex connection, depending on the link connectivity. Now, configuration is quite simple, of course. We simply jump into the interface and then we run the speed command. Of course, now we have the 100-full option, which turns the speed, it forces the speed to 100 megabits full duplex. The other option, of course, is auto to auto negotiate that speed in duplex. Now, with something like this, there's a number of different troubleshooting steps that we could take when trying to confirm if this is configured properly, the show interface, and then the interface name command. Of course, that same command plus the extended command after that will give you more information about the interface. We may want to take a look at the QoS trust parameters as well as the show interface QoS parameter. Now, as I've already mentioned, not all switch Smart Rate ports actually support this 100 meg forced mode. So make sure that you check the data sheets and the quick specs for up-to-date details. As of this posting, the line cards, the switches are the 6300 24 SR5 as well as the 48 port SR5. The single 8360 V2 48 port base T model, and then the 6400 48 port SR5 module. For resources, so I'd recommend, of course, Arubapedia, but I have a few links here for Aruba Smart Rate, what is multi-gigabit Ethernet, as well as the CX Fundamental Guide, which can be really helpful. And with that, I'll leave it to you, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.